Footnotes are a fantastic way to add extra information, citations, or clarifications to your Google Docs without cluttering up the main text. In this quick tutorial, we will show you exactly how to insert a footnote in just a few simple clicks. Let's get started. Click in your document where you want the footnote reference number to appear. Now go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Footnote. Google Docs will automatically add a superscript number at your cursor location and open a footnote area at the bottom of the page. Type your footnote text in this area. To add more footnotes, simply repeat the process. Google Docs will automatically number them sequentially. You can edit the footnote text at any time by clicking on the corresponding reference number in the main text or in the footnote area itself. To delete a footnote, delete the reference number in the main text. The corresponding footnote and its number will be automatically removed. It's that simple to add a footnote in Google Docs. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called Slides AI, a Google Slides add-on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give Slides AI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.